Good morning, students. Take out your EVS book. Today we will read page number 56 and 57 of lesson 7. This is lesson 7. We have read page number 54 and 55. Now today we will read page number 56 and 57. Okay, we will read about shrubs and herbs. Shrubs. We will read about shrubs. Smaller plants are called shrubs. You can underline this line. Okay. What are shrubs? Smaller plants are called shrubs. These plants are not very tall, not very short. They are smaller. Okay. The smaller plants are called shrubs. Shrubs are small bushes. Bushes mean just like झाड़ियाँ, है ना, जिसकी हम hedge भी बनाते हैं. Okay. They have strong woody stem. Shrubs have also strong and woody stems. You can see here there are not plants. Okay, I will show you later on. Okay, shrubs have strong and woody stems. We cannot break these stems also very easily. Okay, shrubs have many branches. Shrubs also have many branches. They last for a few years. Last means live. You can cut last and you can write here live. So you can learn live. Okay, they live for a few years. 5 years, 10 years, 8 years, 6 years. Okay, shrubs live for a few years. We will read it again. Smaller plants are called shrubs. Shrubs are small bushes. They have strong woody stems. Shrubs have many branches. They live for a few years. Not many years, few years. Okay. Now we will read the names of the shrubs. This is bougainvillea, mehendi, rose, cotton plant. We get cotton from cotton plant. Okay. Now we will read about herbs. Very small plants are called herbs. Very small plants. You can see around your house. You can go in your verandas and you can see some plants here and there. Okay. Very small plants are called herbs. Herbs are very small plants. Okay. They have weak and green stem. Their stems are green. Stem color is green and weak. Herbs stem is weak. Okay. They last. Again last written here. You can cut it and you can write here live. They live for a few months, one season only. So you can cut few months. You can write one season only. You will learn they live for one season only. Okay. Most flowering plants are herbs. herbs. Most of the herbs have flowers. Okay? Again read it. Very small plants are called herbs. I will ask you, what are herbs? Then you will give this answer. Very small plants are called herbs. Very small plants are called herbs. They have weak and green stem. Herbs have weak and green stem. We can break it easily. Okay? They live for one season only. Only one season. Just like tomato, lady's finger. When you grow this, it gives fruit, and after that it dries. And then we take out it from the soil and we throw it. And then we grow new plants again. Okay? They live for one season only. Most flowering plants are herbs. Okay? Most of the herbs have flowers. Okay? So now we will read the names of the herbs. This is sunflower. This is small plant, ladyfinger, mint, tomato. All these plants are very small plants. Okay? And once these plants give us fruits, vegetables, and after that they dry and we take them out and we grow new plants. Okay? Now you will read these 2 pages and you will learn it properly. What are trees, what are shrubs, what are herbs, okay? And how long they live. Like this you will learn the question answers. And you will recognize the plants which are trees, which are shrubs, which are herbs. Okay? Thank you.